Let's practice some shell commands. If the terminal window is closed for you, just click on the left topmost corner and choose terminal, new terminal. Now let's use cd command to change the directory, and we want to go to the workspace directory. For this, we are using the tight sign that represents home directory for the Linux based operating system, then a slash and workspace. So this command means move to the workspace folder, just hit enter, and now you are in workspace. To verify that, you can use pwd or print working directory command. This command will show the address, the current address. Right now we are inside workspace. Now let's create a new folder or directory. For this we are using mkdir or make directory command. Then give it a space and the name of the directory you want to create. For this case, we want to create a directory by the name test. Hit enter. Now use ls and -l command. ls-l command will list all the files and folders, and the -l will also add the additional information about all the files and folders. So we have created the test folder. Now let's quickly move to the test folder. Again we will use cd or change directory command, then name of the directory. You can either just write T and press tab button. It will automatically complete the name of the directory for you. Just hit enter, and now we are inside the test folder. Again, to confirm that, use pwd or print working directory command. Hit enter and it will show you that you are inside test folder. Now let's learn about one more command that is often used to verify if the C compiler is installed in your machine or not. For this, just write echo, give it a space, and write the text or the display message that you want to show to the terminal. I am just writing a simple and minimalistic C function int main that do not have a body or an empty body. Then give it a space. This angular sign means a redirection operator that will redirect the output of echo to the file name of your choice, and we are using test.c this time. Just hit enter. So it will create a new file test.c with the content of a minimal function int main. Now to list out all the contents inside the test folder, just write ls -l and it will show that you have created a new file test.c. Now let's again compile the file using GCC compiler. Just write GCC and the name of the file test.c. So it will compile the test.c file into an output file. So let's again use ls and this time use -a to display hidden files also. Just hit enter and you will have your file a.out. Now let's run a.out to show the output. For this, write dot that represents the current folder. Inside this, we have a.out file. Just hit enter and it won't show anything because the code is doing nothing. Now to come out from the test folder to workspace, again use cd, give a space and two dots. Now you are in workspace folder. Again use ls. So we have the test folder already that we have created. Now we are going to delete the test folder. For this, just write rm or the remove directory command, then give it a space -r. This flag shows that we want to delete a folder, and then the name of your directory or the folder test. Just hit enter, and in the explorer you can see that we have deleted the file. To again verify, just write ls, and then you can see we have already deleted the folder.